Welcome to the brand news. Our first news in Şanlıurfa, donkeys got frozen. And next, Justin Timberlake is coming to Turkey.
Justin will be in Istanbul on 24th of May.
The Black Hawks will watch over the new clone Center Mosque.
The most modern mosque of Europe will be watched over by two purpose-trained hawks.
There was a plane accident in Russia.
MiG-31 fighter jet crashed by a technical problem in Russia's Far Eastern Primorye region. Rival Present magazine news.
Beyoncé was chosen the cheapest singer with the costumes at Mrs. Carter World Tour. Lady Gaga preferred the costume designed by Zeynep Tosun. We learn new words. I will present this.
Black Hawks mean a kind of wild bird. Mosque, the religion of Muslim. Chicas, one of the fashion world signifiers of choice.
Thanks for your watching.